everyone and welcome back to my channel, or well, good morning or whatever time it is when you're watching this. I thought today we're going to start a little bit differently. Basically I'm going to take you along and show you what a typical work day looks like for me in my life as a vegan food blogger or food photographer. So yeah, I'm kind of doing both. So today I'm going to show you what this looks like on a normal day. As you can tell, I've just come out of the shower. So let me just quickly get ready and then we're going to get started. And we're ready. Well, wasn't that magical? Well, today I've got a couple of things on my list actually. I have to take some photos today, and I'm gonna go out for dinner tonight, and I need to tidy up a little bit because if you've seen my Instagram story, you might know that I've been to IKEA and I haven't even built up everything, and I still have like some cardboard for some furniture on the floor down there. So I'm gonna be sorting all of that out today. And yeah. Here we go. So before I'm going to start shooting today, I just made myself some quick breakfast. These are just some chocolate oats with cinnamon, some cacao powder and some chocolate protein. And I've recently been super obsessed with caramelized banana, so as you can tell this was a very big one. But yeah, I'm just going to have this now and then I'm going to start work. Alexa, open Audible.
Getting your book from Audible. Resuming Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Book 7.
Fleur said his wand was blasted out of his hand, said Harry. Well,
now I can
you wanted.
So I'm taking a quick break from photography today, and as I already mentioned, I went to IKEA yesterday and I actually didn't manage to set up everything yesterday. So I've got this one cupboard for our hallway, which I'm just going to quickly, it's got over 20 steps, but I'm just going to assemble it right now. Alright, I have like a little afternoon break now after building all of that furniture and enjoying a little bit of a snack. So I haven't had lunch yet so far, but I'm just eating some mango now because, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to go for dinner tonight and just want to leave some space in my stomach for this. So yeah, we're having some mango. And I thought I'll show you some products that I've received. I've had 2 parcels come in the last 2 days. Now this was the first one. You can already kind of tell what it is. It's from Lascon, and they've friendly sent me some of their drinks. Let me turn this around so you can see. It's such a fancy box, isn't it? So we've got a few different flavours here. We've got Blueberry Crush, St. Clements, sounds interesting. Looks citrusy from the packaging, and Sicilian Lemonade. I'm pretty sure that's going to be really nice. I just thought I'll show you this because I haven't actually properly opened the box yet. I've seen it and I've opened it and I've put it aside because I was busy when it came in. But yeah, I'm so happy for them to send me some drinks, especially now that I'm doing dry January is over, but I'm still continuing to do it into February. So I love just trying out some fancy non-alcoholic drinks just to kind of juice things up a little bit, literally. The second parcel that came in, it's from Firefly, as this tape can tell you already. I love the Firefly drinks. I've already tried like lots and lots of them before. And they said they were going to send me a new special edition to try out, so I'm super excited to see what the special edition could be. Just trying to open this without missing myself. So this one came in today. Let's have a look, let's have a look. Oh wow. Another box in the box. Let me get this out. So it says on here, Superfly, Aronia, grapefruit, cascara and red currant. That sounds super fancy. Is this one flavour or are these separate ones? Let me have a look. Oh, so nice. Here's some other new limited edition drinks for Valentine's Day. We hope you enjoy them. Beautiful card with it. Oh yeah, now I see what they mean by Valentine's. That's an awesome design, I love that. I love how vibrant all of these are, how all of the colours are. So this is passion fruit and blueberry. Are they all passion fruit and blueberry? I think so, they all have the same. Yes, so it's passion fruit and blueberry. I don't know why it said something else on the packaging, but I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much, Firefly. I can't wait to try these out. Absolutely love passion fruit. Like, it's one of those weird fruits that I've always known of as a kid, but I've not tried them until I was like 28, and then really loved them. So I'm sure these are going to be really nice. Alrighty, so it's almost the evening now. I've just packed up everything from the shoot and I'm onto editing right now. So I'm just transferring all of the images onto my laptop and I'm going to start editing some little GIFs and some photos. And yeah, in about an hour and a half we already need to be on our way to the restaurant for dinner. So yeah, I'm just going to use the little time in between to edit a little bit. Now, as you can tell, I got rid of the IKEA boxes. Success today. Oh gosh, it's dark out here. But we're off for dinner now. We're heading over to Franco Manca's tonight to try out their vegan pizza. And I'm absolutely starving because I haven't even had lunch today. Only a mango, but that was not very filling. So can't wait for the pizza. And something super exciting is happening because they're just offering us that we can make our own pizza in their kitchen here, so we'll see how that goes. Look how official we're looking now. Hello! Just gonna mix up the kitchen now. Like when the professionals do it.
They do a lot of these. They do sometimes they do from here to the oven.
Oh wow!
And they do now the last one. You put a pizza there. You put a box a little open, and they throw it inside the box. Don't say put a bit that we do now.
So, on our way home again from dinner, and it's honestly been such a wonderful eve. It's raining right now, so that's maybe not the wonderful part, but the time at Franco Manca and eating was just really, really nice. There was such a nice team. They were really spontaneous and they told us lots and lots of stories about the different foods that they have. And yeah, absolutely loved that they were so spontaneous to let us into their kitchen to make our own pizza. So I think that definitely made our evening. But yeah, now we're heading home in the rain, and tomorrow's another day. So I think I'm just going to end today's little vlog over here. I know you can't really see me, but I'm pretty sure you can hear me. So yeah, I'm just going to end today's video here, and as you can tell, I'm probably still a little bit in this kind of phase where I'm trying to figure out what you guys like to watch. So whether it's recipes, or whether it's some concepted videos, or whether it's some vlogs like this one today, but let me know in the comments below what you would like to see more of. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't know if you can see that I'm doing the thumbs up. Oh, now you can see. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.